so now that we have properly determined and identified the resistor values, we're going to go ahead and place these in. Okay, so R1 is going to be resistor value 20K. All right, so I'm going to take my 20K resistor, I'm going to bend it in the shape of a U. The reason I bend it in the shape of a U is so that when I go to place this in, I can press it down and it's flush with the board. Okay, and then I spread out the leads a little bit. Now I can solder them. As I mentioned before, resistors do not have polarity, so it doesn't matter which way you place them in. Okay, so we cut off our excess. Okay, resistor 2 is our 10K. So again, I'll take it, I'll bend them out of the way, spread them out a little bit. And solder. Okay, looks good. We'll cut those off. Alright, resistor 3 is my 1.5 mega ohm. So I'll take that, bend it, and solder. Oops, I'm gonna. Yeah. Now I'll do resistor 4 by 470. Okay, now I can solder it. And I can cut those excess leads. There you have it. Now we have all resistors in place.